Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to take a walk through Birmingham and show you some of the restaurants, shopping, entertainment, and parks here if it's something you're considering visiting, vacationing to, or moving to. So take a look. I'm actually going to flip it. We're going to start here right off the bat at one of my favorite restaurants, Hyde Park, Birmingham Theater. Got the Chase Bank here. We'll head down here as well. Here on Hamilton Row now. Fantastic Thai food. Got to get the Commonwealth Cafe. Fantastic brunch. Fantastic coffee. And again, one of those places that a lot of people like to check out when they come to Birmingham. Have the office there. And then one more necessity to mention here. Everyone knows here right in the corner of Maple and Woodward, Hunter House Hamburgers. Also a must try. Townsend Hotel. We'll get to the Daxton here in a moment, but try and get another angle of the hotel. It's pretty massive. And leading us to our next destination, right across the street, is Seank Park. Great place to check out. Solo with the family. A lot of stuff for the kids. So we're here at the Daxton. You can see all this construction here. A lot of great things coming. Housing, commercial space, a dachi. Great Asian restaurant, and again, another spot that anytime celebrities are in town, athletes, people coming in to visit or to stay, this is also a great spot, one of their favorites with the Townsend. Really cool place. Go in these doors, imagine going some elevators and you go up and everything right behind there. Have a nice bar, good food, good drinks, nice theaters. So now we're here on the corner of Old Woodward. Got everything here. Paris Baguette, Sweet Green, Starbucks, cigar bar there, RH. Got the bank. Actually, let's walk down here. We're approaching the corner of Old Woodward and Maple as well. Prime downtown Birmingham. Do a lot of good development in the city. CB2, great furniture store, more sporty, modern. A lot of more amazing good food. We'll check out that way. Down here as well. Got the Lululemon. One of my favorite pizza places down that way, Brooklyn Pizza. So I'm just waiting at one of the stop signs right now. Just want to talk about Birmingham being a truly walkable city. It's what they say. It's definitely true. And I'll flip it around again here before I head down to the other end of pretty much the primetime downtown area. That's the other side of Old Woodward. We have our Shift and Sidecar down there. Great place to check out for nightlife entertainment or even just lunch or dinner. Tons of new development recently and a lot more on the way. Honestly love the architectural design and feel of Birmingham. Now, this does remind me, and this is one of the challenges that I'll admit the city faces, and like a lot of other downtown locations where we have the meter parking. Some places have parking lots and a lot of the parking structures, but honestly, these can get filled up pretty quickly, and that's a struggle for a lot of people. Can definitely be very annoying and time consuming sometimes just trying to find parking. Usually these structures are first 2 hours free and there's a charge. I think it's like $2 every hour after that. Everyone's favorite, parking police. We're here standing outside of Market North End. New apartment, commercial mixed-use development there. So now I'm here. Let's heading to Booth Park, another great park, as well as behind here we have the walking trail. So this is Stream Bank Trail, and this will actually take you all the way back to Willits, which was pretty much the other side, as you can see. Great place for the kids, a lot of shops here again, and tons of more down that way. We have one of my other favorite restaurants over here, also a great Italian place on the corner here, and then Lux for like your bar American food. Also right about there, that orange building is where they do the Birmingham Farmers Market. That's always great on Sundays. Definitely worth it to come check it out. A lot of great monuments and art in downtown Birmingham as well. Thank you guys for tuning in again, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.